Have you ever heard someone say, "I have other fish to fry," and wondered what on earth they meant? As an English learner, it can be really confusing when native speakers use idioms like this. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll be using "I have other fish to fry" like a pro. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, who was new to English, thought it meant they were literally cooking fish and couldn't talk right then. So, when their boss asked them to help with a project, they said, "Sorry, I have other fish to fry." The boss was very confused. So, what does "I have other fish to fry" actually mean? It's an idiom that means you have other, more important things to do or focus on at the moment. The exact origin is uncertain. But one theory suggests it relates to opportunities for greater profit or advancement, symbolized by catching a bigger fish. Let me give you an example of how to use this idiom correctly. Imagine your boss asks you to help with a minor task, but you're in the middle of an important project with a tight deadline. You could say, "I'd love to help, but I have other fish to fry right now. Can we revisit this later?" This shows you're focused on your priority tasks and can't be distracted. Here are some more examples of how you can use "I have other fish to fry" in different contexts. Casual conversation: "Sorry, I can't go to the movies tonight. I have other fish to fry." Formal setting: "I appreciate the opportunity, but I have other fish to fry at the moment." Negative context: "I don't have time to deal with that drama. I have other fish to fry." Humorous context: "I would love to help you organize your sock drawer, but I have other fish to fry." Literary context: "She had other fish to fry, more important matters that demanded her attention." Business setting: "I can't attend that meeting. I have other fish to fry this afternoon." Social media usage: "Sorry, I've been MIA. I've had other fish to fry lately." To help you remember the meaning of "I have other fish to fry," think of a visual image of someone standing at a stove, cooking fish, and being too busy to be distracted by other tasks. This image connects to the idiom's origin and can serve as a helpful memory aid. While the precise origin is debated, the idiom "other fish to fry" started appearing in print around the 17th century. Its early usage suggests it was initially related to matters of business or opportunity, rather than literal cooking. Over the years, the usage of this idiom has evolved, but it still maintains its core meaning of prioritizing important tasks over less significant ones. Some similar idioms to "I have other fish to fry" include "I have my hands full" and "I'm up to my neck in work." Opposite idioms could be "I have nothing better to do" or "I'm free as a bird." And related idioms might be "I'm in a pickle" or "I'm in over my head." For example, you could say, "I have other fish to fry, so I can't help you move this weekend." Or you could rephrase it as, "I'm really busy with my own priorities right now, so I can't assist you with your move." The meaning is essentially the same, but the idiom adds a more colorful and expressive way to convey your message. I remember a time when my colleague, Sarah, used this idiom perfectly in a meeting. Our boss asked her to take on an extra project, but Sarah politely declined, saying, "I'd love to help, but I have other fish to fry at the moment. My plate is full with the Acme account." The boss understood immediately and didn't push further, thanks to Sarah's effective use of the idiom. One common mistake people make is using "I have other fish to fry" in the wrong tense. Like saying, "I had other fish to fry." This changes the meaning, implying the task is already completed, rather than ongoing. To avoid this, remember to use the present tense, "I have other fish to fry," to convey the current state of your priorities. Okay, let's test your understanding of this idiom with a few multiple choice questions. 1. What does the idiom "I have other fish to fry" mean? A. I'm literally cooking fish. B. I have more important things to do. C. I'm going fishing later. Alright, let's recap what we've learned about the idiom "I have other fish to fry." We explored its meaning, origins, and how to use it effectively in various contexts. Remember, mastering idioms like this can really boost your English communication skills and help you sound more natural. Now it's your turn. Try using "I have other fish to fry" in a sentence and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're incorporating this idiom into your everyday English. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more idiom lessons. Happy learning!
You have other fish to fry, and you're going to put your resources there.
The potholes outside her office. We all have other fish to fry.